Hi, I'm Donna Livingston, and this is my garden. Let me share with you some of the tips I used in redeveloping this backyard and hillside. I started building my garden right when I first found the house. I had an idea what I wanted to do, but it was a very big undertaking, so I had to go slowly. I had to use a budget. You have to think about your master plan and be patient. Patience with building a garden is extremely important. So I wanted plants and flowers that smelled good when you have that aroma. So I chose night blooming jasmine, white roses, and lantanias. And so when I come into the garden, the aroma is so powerful. And you can buy little plants that you can come home and plant in the earth. And you'll watch them grow up. It's so exciting. It's like raising a little family, but it's in the earth. My love of gardens come from the heart. And for me, it came from my grandmother. She used to build a beautiful garden every year, and I always helped her as a little kid. This is something that you can do with your family as well, and give them the legacy of planting a garden and watching the beautiful flowers grow.